flourish flowers. Children, flowers are so beautiful. Color these flowers with beautiful crayons. Put your thumb impressions on the insects in different colors. Now, the flowers look more natural.